Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning. I'm Chris Maria Aguilar Duran. I'm 33 years old. I live in Kamuting Cebu, Negros Oriental, and I, wa- I have three children. One son, 12 years old, two daughters, 3 and 4 years old,
Are you single or married?
and I'm single.
Do you have a living partner?
Yes, I have living partner.
Okay, what is your education?
I was studied at Cebu Technological University, taking up BIS IT undergraduate.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and one sister, and I am the eldest of my family.
Okay, so why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
I want to come in Hong Kong because I want to earn money and to sustain my family's financial.
How will take care of your kids when you work there?
My living partner and my parents will take care of my children.
Do you have any working experience as a housemaid before?
I was my experience was here in the Philippines is a housemaid last June 2020 2015 to February 2021, and I do also taking care of a 3 years old child, and I do household chores.
Okay, so you only taking care only one kid in your previous employer?
Yes, sir.
After that, why did you not work?
Sir,
After on that year, why you did not work again?
because I taking care of my children.
Okay, so you get pregnant, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then you're taking care of children.
Yes, sir.
So do you know how to taking care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir.
So if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check the diaper first, and if it's wet, I will change it. And if the baby will continue to cry, I will sing a song or I will feed milk. And then if she will continue to cry, I will check the temperature.
Okay. Do you know how to shower the baby?
Yes, sir.
What do you need to prepare?
I will prepare lukewarm water, soap, and towel, and I will take care of the ears, eyes, and mouth to spill the water.
Okay. Can you sing in our series song or baby song?
Yes,
Can you sing now?
like um, um, the wheels on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round, all through the town.
Okay, thank you. So if the baby or children is very naughty, what will you do?
If the baby will naughty, I will stay calm, stay patient, and then I will do I will do my best to encourage the baby to pay attention and listen to me.
Okay. So if ever a children or baby is sick, what will you do?
If the baby will sick, I will check the temperature, and then I will check the temperature, and I will put the cool fever in his or her forehead, and I will tell the parents that we will bring the hospital to check for checkup.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No.
Do you have dogs and cats in your house?
Yes.
Do you love cooking?
Yes.
So what food can you cook?
I can cook native food, Filipino foods, but I can learn also how to cook Chinese food.
Okay. So do you have any allergy?
No.
So you eat everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, if there is any elder person in the house of your employer, are you willing to assist them all their needs?
Yes, sir.
Can you do the car washing without the extra pay?
Yes, sir.
Can you not do the day off, your holiday? Your employer will pay you. It's okay for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, are you willing to cut your hair short before you coming to Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, sir.
Okay, lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am honest person. I am cheerful, and I'm a hardworking person. And
Can
I
you
will,
promise to finish your 2 years contract?
yes, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I will do my best to finish my 2 years contract, and hoping for your positive feedback.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.